Making the old pasties.
Alice pasties.
Look at these guys. Look at that fine chopping. Greg and I have chopped it up.
So what's in there?
We got
Swede.
potato, pumpkin, swede, carrot, onion, garlic.
Simple ingredients.
Beautiful. You know where a pasty came from? I'll tell you a little history lesson. Do you know where it came from?
No.
Because the miners, when they used to go down the mine, they didn't have their lunch. So the wives would cook them a baked dinner, but put in the pastry. And you weren't supposed to, and you wouldn't eat the pastry. You're supposed to open it up and you'd have like a dinner inside it.
Okay.
But then you use nice pastry. That you
Yeah.
But also,
once they started putting butter in that pastry.
But because they had all dirty hands and shit too, so they could just.
Okay.
It was like a lunchbox.
A plate, yeah. There you go.
There you go.
So what's the next step?
Well, I'm going to.
A bit of some mince here.
Got pork mince.
Pork mince. Yeah.
We need a bit of Worcester.
Alright, so pork mince,
I'm going to go Harvey's.
Worcestershire sauce, and pepper and salt.
I don't use mince. I'm going to shove some of this in there. We're going tough.
Both of the things look half full.
And we'll do half of these. So we'll just have a bit of Worcester in there. Do you like Worcester, Greg?
I love Worcester. And which Worcester is it?
Lean Parents, the only one. And then you got to shove Worcester on the top too. And tomato sauce.
Okay.
Bit of the old Himalaya.
And he's pointing at something.
You just witnessed a bloke look into a drawer. The man look.
The man look.
We'll give her a little whip.
Ah, so much slow motion action there.
Put the little thing magic on.
Alright. Start again.
So now we've got lots of pork mince. Now I need another thing to put this into. Go smell-o-vision. It smells like vegetables.
It smells like vegetables. But meaty vegetables.
We just do it as one full sheet is the pasty.
Yeah.
So it's one big massive pasty, that's it. Absorption through my skin.
There's still a bit of daylight outside. Just.
Means it's Jaeger bomb time. Bit more Worcester.
I like this recipe. You can tell this is the Alice recipe. The portions are in his mind.
Yeah, it's just.
There's no communication about what's going on here. There's got to be some secrecy.
It's just a nice veggie, that's all it is. Let's try this again. You don't need like big chunks of pork in there, you just want it to be all coated in pork. Especially if it's fatty, all the pork fat just goes into everything.
Yeah.
This thing's so good. We use it all the time.
Versatile kitchen tool.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome. Especially like, we do like pancakes and...
You can smell it.
Worcestershire as well, like the mix.
Yeah, it's a Worcester in there. So we've got a fuck ton of...
So do you cook it in the pastry or do you do pre-cookage?
No, it just cooks in the pastry.
It smells amazing already.
I know, it's not even cooked. Jinx! Hey, what's that?
Oh.
It's like first person drinking.
Stopwatch, sundial.
3, lubed up.
Lubed up, yes!
Okay, let's give this a crack.
Is this my drink?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Alright, so there's a trick here. I think I may be revealing a secret. I don't know. I don't know if this is a baker's trade thing or an Ellis thing.
No, it's just...
He's got some milk there.
So if you want to stomp this thing up, we just make him into one full sheet.
Smells good again.
Then he's got to make sure it can fold up, so make sure you've got enough in there.
Alright, so this is the practice one.
I reckon we more.
Do you reckon? No, I think that's... You want it to cover.
You don't want it to spill out, do you? Oh, that's what the milk's for. There we go.
So,
Look at that, it's a pasty.
pick you up.
So that one at the top, you don't have to do anything with that seal. It's a seals because of the milk.
Yeah.
Question?
Should be fine.
Can you brush it with anything on top?
Bit of milk.
A little bit of jizz. Sticks everything together.
See, they're not supposed to look pretty, they're supposed to just taste fucking delicious.
Rustic.
And there we have it. The Ellis pasty. That is a fucking deliciously beastly sized pasty. Going in. You know that fucking Hootie and the Blowfish song?
Is that the song?
Yeah.
Is that what the words are?
No, but that's what they should be.
I love
I've only got a warrior's turn, get out of the pro.
that's the best line in The Simpsons ever. When Bart's trying to go undercover, and then Chief Wiggum gives him a tape as the surveillance tape, and he's like, "This is Hootie and the Blowfish. Blowfish. It's Hootie and the Blowfish. Yeah, it's cheaper the blank tape." Suck it, Hootie the Blowfish. Who's Hootie and who's the Blowfish?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure they're all like something. Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh, these little fucking devils.
How are you? Permission to fly by?
See that thing, look at that straight off.
Straight up. Well greased. You're going to require some cool down time, I would imagine.
Basically just smash them
To pieces.
It's so cool. They're going to be fucking beautiful.
Oh, where are they dating?
Brown.
Is that another Ellis secret? Yeah, that's an Ellis secret. Cook them until they're good.
What do you reckon, Gregosaurus?
Gregosaurus, that's new.
No.
Bosh! No fucking around. Bosh! Straight on.
I know fucking around making these little fucking, oh, here's one with that fucking 3 bits of fucking curry in it.
Don't pick up the tray.
You're having a full fucking roast dinner.
Oh. Don't pick up the tray. It's fine.
I'm just going to grab that one in my hand. So how many we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we made nine pasties. It's a shitload.
Yeah, there wasn't that much ingredient. Really. Pumpkin.
No, but it fills out. It looks like when you cut it all up and that, it looks like a shitload.
That was a massive fuckload.
It was only 500 grams of pork mince.
Just in case we missed it, this is just on my phone. You gotta fucking dice it up.
You gotta dice it up.
You gotta get a mixture of pastry on your plate.
Especially like because the bottom pastry's all nice and gooey. Then you got to go here.
Got a bit of whist.
You got to put a bit more moisture on. Just a little bit. Then you got to put some dead horse on. Yeah, I've made this for fucking years.
Alright, Nath,
I to eat this.
any parting words? Episode something of cooking, Nath?
Yes.
Yes.